Hey everyone, just wanted to make a little video here of one of the flaws I found with this Neotec NS892V. This is the Stihl Ms660 clone. I run it quite a bit actually, and I haven't had no issues with it. The only thing that I've really found is, show you here, it's got to do with the air filtration. Hang on one second. I had to take and put these two washers on over the filter. This is actually a Stihl brand filter, and I even put a different filter horn on here thinking that might have been the issue, but I'll show you what issue I'm having here is. Noticed it right when I got the saw, but this nut, tightened all the way up, does not seal that filter, and you get fines sucked in underneath. I don't know if they didn't machine the nut very good or what the deal is. It ain't the filter. I've tried all different filters. I got plenty of stuff laying around here. But if I take and put these two washers on, problem solved. I don't know what the deal is with it. I think it's this nut. So if a guy got an OEM nut for it, he'd probably be okay. Just put the OEM nut in the filter cover, or just get an OEM filter cover completely. But that's the only issue I found with it. I'm going to put this back together, and then I'm going to take these here aspen rounds and I'm going to cut them in half, noodle them here, because just make them smaller so I ain't got to throw them inside the wood boiler all as one. Make it a little easier for me to pick up. So I'm going to get to that. You guys can watch this saw run. This thing runs really, really good. Well, that's that saw. Hope you liked it.